If you would like to make money before the summer, watch the full video and I will show you step by step how to make money. And I'm not talking about $100 or $200, I'm talking about $1,000. Today, we're gonna talk about the Whop. If you don't know what is the Whop, Whop is the website about the clipping. You are just clipping the viral content of people and you are getting paid for views. There is a different campaigns, but the average of revenue is $2. So if you're gonna gain 1 million views, you are getting a lot of money. So the first what you must do, you must go to whoop.com, or you can use the link in my description, it's better. As you can see, you must go to discover, is the third option in the top, then to content rewards, and there's all of these action. I know it looks complicated, but it's not. In the next video, I will show you what is top 3 clips, what you can do. But in this video, I would like to show you step by step. So we'll go to Amber Clips because there is a big revenue. There is still space for us. And you can see there is 7 million views. So people see that on the TikTok or YouTube, it's easy to go viral. So you must open Whoop. Then go to section Earn, and then you are going to Content Reward. Also, 360 days left. As I said, $3 per 1k view, and minimum payout is $30 and maximum payout is $450. Then you can use Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. What is the really important? You must follow all of those. It's not complicated. You just need to qualities or top priority. You must add closing king. It's not that hard. Then what you must do, you will just go to this driver Google, and there is a clips of Amber there, over there. Then you can download all of them, but it's a lot of clips, so you can choose only the best ones. And then you go to CapCut. You will just input. Then in the CapCut, you will just drag all of those clips in the line. All right, so we have all of these clips just on the line, and then we must do edit bitly because now it's 15 seconds and that's a lot, because we can, let's say, what is the rules, the minimum 10 seconds, so we can keep it on 10 seconds. Then you can just drag it easily, just like there. And I can tell you, keep the clips only for 2 or 3 seconds, so you can switch 4 or 5 clips. What is really important, focus on hook. If you don't know what is the hook, go to YouTube and you will find it easily. So this clip, we would like to start with this one, this clip we would like to start because there is the under. Okay, but it's too long, so we must cut it over there. This is fine. This is fine. Yeah. This one we need only for a couple seconds. Also, this one I will cut in the middle. This one will exchange. Okay. How does it look? I know it's only 5 seconds. Yeah, all right. You can also use some transitions, but on the TikTok you don't need to use it a lot. How does it look? No. We don't want it. We don't want it. It's a bad idea. All right. We also must use some more clips. So I can download this one and this one. I would like to show you just for the example, but when you're gonna create the clips, take the good ones because it's important. Because good clips can make a viral, and then you can make easy money. All right. So then we're just gonna cut the clips. Yeah, now it's 11 seconds, so that's pretty fine. So how does it start? This one is a good one, pretty good clips. The ending is a bit long, but it's fine. Also, what I would like to recommend you, watch all of those clips in the content award. This guy made 450 because, and also use this sound. And I can recommend you can just copy these captions or text what is over there, because these people already made some money. Yeah. You can follow this. And there is some sounds but also you can copy because it's trending sounds, and I don't know why you should change it, because this one we know it's working, so you can follow that. Yeah, that's pretty good. And you can see these people made this money, so you can just copy them. All right, once this video done, you can just export that. You can send it to your Google and then post it on Instagram, YouTube, or whenever you would like to post it. It's up to you, but I can recommend TikTok because it's easy to grow on the TikTok. Then over there you will upload the original media, not a screenshot, just post it. But before you post it, you know what I said, follow all of those, because if you're gonna follow it, easy money for you. And then you are just waiting for money. That's it. So if you would like to make more money, just subscribe me, like me, and see you in the next video.